Welcome to our channel. We are Debbie and Eric, and together we are enjoying life's adventures. We currently work full-time, looking forward to an early retirement. In the meantime, we make sure to take the time to play, whether that is staying close by on our boat or taking mini vacations in the travel trailer. So come along with us as we enjoy life's adventures.
You look like you're having some fun there.
Loads.
Miss your tools at home?
Yes. Yes. I'm hacksawing a piece of aluminum that's taking 20 minutes because I got an old hacksaw blade. It's probably not even meant for steel or aluminum. And I'm trying to make a bracket for the autopilot because the autopilot's bracket is off, was never on. I don't know what happened to it, so I'm making a bracket out of aluminum. And then I'm going to take, Debbie needs a little piece of aluminum because tomorrow
Or Sunday.
we may be going in the water. So we arrived today and there's a tractor ready to pull us to the hoist. So they got to dig us out a little bit because the boat's cradle is sank into the ground a little bit. So they got to dig us up a little bit and then pull us out with the tractor, and then we're going to the hoist to get launched, which is kind of cool. So I needed a little piece of metal because when we go into the water, Debbie's going to do a unnaming ceremony, and we're going to unname the boat.
Yep.
And then when we get to Audrey, to our home port, we will have our naming ceremony with our friends.
Yep.
And we will christen her up there with a new name. So, trying to do a few things. Fix the autopilot with this and get a piece of metal to toss in the water for Poseidon.
Poseidon.
It's an adventure. Poseidon adventure.
It is. Let's not. No, let's not do that. Let's not have a Poseidon adventure.
Yeah, that's not good. Alright, back to cutting. And I'll see you in a few hours when I get one of these cut.
Today is Saturday, June 27th. And this might be the day that we go in the water. If not today, it will be tomorrow. Right now we're getting ready to put the mainsail up.
Hey, Deb.
Hi.
What'd you find?
I think we finally got the rest of that nest out. Holy moly.
That's a little bit of a bird's nest.
Holy crap. And there's still more in here.
That's why all this stuff is, the pulleys are stuck in there. Glad we're doing this now.
It's like 10 years of bird's nest, probably. Oh, I think I found the big.
So she's using a screw picker upper thing. That has a little claw.
Oh, why we didn't do this sooner?
Yeah, I forgot I had that on the boat. I had that the whole time. You wanted me to push more water down?
Not yet. Let me get this pump out first, because I don't think it's going to go any further.
So I'm assuming after 10 years they had just filled this boom with debris. I mean, we had towels in it trying to keep birds from going back in it. And they just seemed to keep on going in no matter what we did.
Be a little bit smaller hands.
Yeah, I know. I need little tiny G fingers.
I really think that there's like a dead bird.
Oh, I hope not. And if there's a dead bird in there, he's kind of mangled. Is that what you're trying to get?
Something, yeah.
Oh, that would be terrible. Little baby dead birds.
Yeah. Well, that one bird was very upset with us when we closed up the...
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna shut this off.
Okay.
But that's 10 years.
10 years.
We'll see if we get any more out or any baby birds. I got one little piece of trim on a whale board with a rub rail to deal with to go, and I think we're pretty good. I'm going to put another hole here so I can bend this a little bit more because it keeps on popping out and throwing the screws out. But yeah, let me show you. I put this on this morning. So I put a prop cutter, a rope cutter right there. So that way if a rope comes into the impeller, hopefully it'll get cut and we'll take it out. Super sharp. But he's got the tractor hooked up. And since it sat here for 10 years, they had to dig holes to get under the cradle because they were sitting up on those wood blocks right there. And those wood blocks over the years sank down into the ground, and yeah, so the cradle is sitting almost directly on the ground instead of the wood blocks. So he's chained it to his hydraulic lift here, getting ready. He's got the giant Ford tractor. He tried to pull me with that one and it wouldn't do it, so he had to go get a different tractor. So he brought a bigger tractor out to try to get me out. That's the way it looks. There's Debbie. Wave to Debbie. We got the sail cover on, kinda. I don't like the way it lays, but we might invest in a different sail cover, a stack pack or something. But there she is. She's ready tomorrow morning. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. she'll be in the water after 10 years. Hopefully she floats with no leaks. Let's pray. So he's got to take it with the tractor and the trailer over to this hoist over here. So he's just got to bring me around and put me on the hoist. And then we're going to launch here, go out that cut, make a left, and we're going to head down to what's called North Star Sail Club. So me and my dad sailed out of North Star when I was younger, and that's where we're going to stay for the next couple weeks until we go up to Augray. And Debbie's got a hammer. She's ready to fix the boat. Oh, and these port lights right there and right there are going to be replaced with stainless steel, like up on the deck. And I don't know if you can see, but I got stainless steel ones up there. So those will be done with stainless. But that's another project for another time. All right, let's get this done. We'll save you the aggravation, and we'll do movie magic. Poof! 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 Why isn't it working, hon? Poof poof!
Poof poof.
Poof poof! All right.